Hello everyone. In Google Docs, if you start your paragraph with number, for example number 1 dot space, you see your paragraph format change to numbered list. And if you want to disable this feature in Google Docs, first step, on the top click on Tools and now click on Preference, and from this list turn off automatically detect list, and now click on OK. Now if you start your paragraph with number, for example number 1 dot space, you see your paragraph format not changed and you can write normally in your document. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more video. Thanks for watching.